4 things I hate about the XT3. Now the first thing is this screen. Now the screen flips down like that, it will flip up like that, and it will flip out like that. But I had a Canon 70D. Was that 10 years ago? Which had a flippy screen, would flip out, go all ways you'd like. But this doesn't have it. So the other thing I don't like is this stupid little battery. This little battery, look, it's tiny. So you go out shooting, you need a whole bunch of these. So, you know, what you can, I don't know, it's just not big enough. It needs to be twice as big as that. So that just clips up in there. The third thing I don't like is the focus stacking. Now, with the focus stacking, you have to set whether or not it's how many units and sort of how many pictures you're going to take. That goes from 1 to 10. So 10 is obviously the bigger parameter, 1 is the smaller parameter. And you set the number of images you want to take. Now with landscape photography, that's fine, because you can take, you set it to 10, take 6 or 8. With macro photography, it's totally useless. What you can do manually in 4 or 5 shots, you have to have about 30 shots. So that's not good. And the fourth thing I don't like. What's the fourth thing I don't like? The fourth thing I don't like is if you're taking video and you're hand holding it, it shakes a little bit, and it just, unless it's set on a tripod, it's no good. You know, it just wiggles about a little bit, tiny little bit. And so, you know, anything with a longer lens really is bad news. The X-T3 addresses all those problems. What? All those functions on the X-T3? Really? Really? Well, it seems the X-T3 addresses all those problems, and so we've ordered one, and goodness knows when we're going to get one because of this lockdown. And what am I going to do with it once I do get the lockdown? I'm actually doing a daily picture, garden picture of the day, where I go in the garden, take a picture and post it on Instagram and Facebook every single day. Some days it's easy, some days it's not so easy. Some days the picture is quite good, other days the picture is not so good, but we do it just the same. And I've been using my macro lens a lot, and the other day it broke, so I've got to send it back. So I'm now using my 50 to 140 with 2 extension tubes, and this allows you to get pretty close, and you can use a zoom ring to focus. Anyway, that's another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and do all those sort of things. Let us know down below if you've got an X-T3 by the way, the X-T3 is a superb camera. Superb in every way. And I'm going to get the X-T4, but am I going to sell this one? I'm not so sure. Because really, this is still relevant nowadays. And yeah, those extra little functions will be good. Have I got gas? Yeah, acquisition syndrome? Probably have. Probably have. Not needless to have all at once, so we're going to get it. But please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Let us know what camera you've got and how you're getting on with it. And I'll leave the details of my Instagram, and you can go and look at the pictures and maybe comment on them. Leave your Instagram down below and we'll have a look at your pictures. So, be safe, be kind, and we'll see you again next time.